one more. Hey guys, this is one more of my nature sound videos. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. And guys, there's maybe some cars or Minecraft sounds or some people talking because it's a public area.
What else?
And yeah, so enjoy the video. Nature sound. Peace out. And like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to see when I post some more videos. Enjoy this video until for at least 3 minutes. Also, there's relaxing music in the background, which is Minecraft music. Also, make sure to watch some of my reaction videos where I and you want me to show a body reveal since I always show my arms and face. And don't use people content because they will be very mad. Like some people's content get like 9K views. Like only one view. And then if you use the person's content, you get like 1,700 views. So don't use people's content. Anyways, enjoy this calming sounds for at least 2 more minutes. Yeah, I changed the time to like 4 minutes. So you guys can relax even more. So sounds of nature begins and I'll be shut up. And I'll be shutting up.
Here comes the bus.
Oh yeah, I'll change it back. I'll just cut it right here. Just cut it right. Okay. So at least we can sit down on a bench. Bye guys.